a group discussion between two of you, and you are free to choose your subject matter that you want to talk with, and anything, any matter you can talk, you can freely, you can talk with each other, and you have to start with your speaking. So whoever will say any, ask any question will be asked to anyone. You please talk about the topic, uh, approx 1 minute, and then saying that topic about on 1 minute, you just send again one question to that person. Is it clear to you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so please choose your subject topic, any topic you can choose: drama, cinema, school time, family time, fan time, anything, your sports, anything you can choose, and you can go on. Please start your answer, your discussion. And be loud, please say loudly, because in my home there is birthday going on, one boy's birthday going on, neighbor home, and they are shouting so much. So if you say loudly, that will be better. Please, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Hey, hello, Shika.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm all right. What about you?
Yeah, I'm so good.
What topic you choose?
I choose cinema.
Okay.
And you? What did you choose?
No, I choose anything. What you will say?
Nothing.
You choose, then I tell you.
Let's talk about cinema. Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
Then you will tell and then we will discuss on your topic, okay?
Okay.
Did you go? Nice, nice of you.
What about you?
I didn't go every Sunday. I'll go 2 months in one time.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, there is. Did you see RRR?
Yeah, that's my favorite movie.
Really?
Yeah, and I
Nice.
think it's song being graded by Oscar Award of 2023. Natu Natu.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the song is
What about you? What's your favorite movie that you've seen in cinema?
mine. Mine is KGF 2.
Oh, KGF Chapter 2. That
Yeah,
it was also a good movie.
yeah, that is a great movie.
Yeah, well, I also seen it.
What did you think? RRR is most popular or KGF Chapter 2?
I think RRR is most popular because it got Oscar Award of its song got an Oscar Award of 2023 in the
Why
world.
is very popular?
In second number, I think KGF Chapter 2 is popular.
In the first number, this is a South movie.
Yeah.
KGF Chapter 2, RRR.
But it is dubbed in English and Hindi. Many languages it is dubbed.
Yeah, yeah, many languages. You you go every Sunday.
Yeah, sometime not, but I think every Sunday.
Nice of you, yaar. I can't. I didn't go every Sunday. With whom you go?
My father and my uncle.
Oh, cousins, both cousins.
Yeah.
Then you saw a lot movie in cinema.
Yeah, there are many movies that are released at a gap of at a gap of at least one day. Many movies are released. I think 2,661 movies are releases in a day.
Yeah, you're right.
So there are many movies. There are many choices you want. You seen it in your phone or cinema. What about you think about that?
Yeah, of course. And where you go means there are many cinemas.
Yeah, in PVR.
Yeah,
I
CBR.
think yeah, PVR.
Yeah. Oh.
I think they are in Faizabad.
I think this is
I
that
think
shows of you.
in Faizabad there are many PVR are there, but I gone in Crowd Interior PVR. Crowd Interior is a mall,
Yeah, mall.
and in there is a PVR. I watch movies in that.
Most of the cinemas are situated in mall.
Yeah, you are right.
Prove-
What is your first experience in cinema?
And
What's your first movie that you seen in cinema?
I didn't remember. I tell you so.
I think I seen Sholay. That is a so
I think there one movie which released on I don't know, but I think that was. Did you see Pati Patni or Wo like
what?
the movie name is Pati Patni or Wo
No, I didn't seen it.
solo movie.
My first movie that I seen in cinema that is Sholay. What is your first movie that you seen in cinema?
I I don't remember, but I said that I think the movie name is Pati Patni or Wo. The movie name is this.
Oh
Did you see?
no, I didn't seen it.
Nice movie, eh? That was a nice movie. Not very, but yeah, nice. What is your favorite actor in
Actually,
Bollywood?
my
Who is your
my favorite actor is Varun Dhawan,
Varun
and
Dhawan?
in second number Bobby Deol.
Now, what's your topic?
Okay, my topic is I think
Many topics.
global warming.
Global warming.
Hey, hello, how are you? Are you
Yeah,
fine?
yeah, fine.
I think global warming is increases in the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere.
Yeah.
Did you know about global warming? It causes many diseases.
Yeah, of course. This is because
Many
of
people are dead. Many people are died of these diseases that are created by global warming.
many. Nowadays,
I think there is our. I think we are increasing global warming. Not global warming is increasing by its own. We are cutting trees, not
it is not
we are
good
cutting
cutting
trees.
trees. So burning trees, cutting trees.
Yeah. So pollution
Yeah,
increase in air, and we didn't get
nowadays,
sufficient quantity of air.
yeah, trains are going
It is
on.
our
There is a lot
don't
of
cut.
pollution.
I think don't cut tree. It is our fundamental right that we don't cut trees. But nowadays people didn't remember that it is our fundamental right.
For a For papers, they are cutting trees.
Yeah,
We don't have to cut trees. I
yeah.
think scientists have to launch new technology. So we don't have to cutting trees and like duplicately the paper made.
You are you know about us? Are you know about lifestyle of sun?
Lifestyle of sun.
Actually, in the global warming, when global warming and increasing in our temperature, it goes to the sky. It goes to the
Sky.
yeah. It goes to the sky. Goes to the out of our earth, and it is collected in a particular star that called sun. And if it is collected in a heavy amount, then the sun become a red giant.
Yeah, of
Do you
course.
know about red giant?
No.
Actually, red giant red giant is that when sun become
Red.
yeah, red giant is an adult form of sun.
Yeah,
Means like old age of
I,
sun.
a little bit I know. Yeah,
Oh
through the many factories, there are the global warming are increasing very much
yeah,
amount.
many many people's many animals are dead about that
Yeah,
about the diseases.
many birds. Yeah,
Yeah, it also causes deforestation.
yeah,
And
through
in the destroyed forest we can plant new trees of the same species, but we didn't do that work.
yeah,
I
absolutely.
think global warming is increasing every year because of continuous emission of greenhouse gases.
Not every year, one month, every month or
No, it is collected, then it is released in the galaxy in every year.
yeah, but a little bit was in a month.
I I
I listen,
I am
I listen in
I
a
researched many things about that. If
I think,
then I know. I think you didn't know that much.
yeah, I don't know that much, but I just hear things
Yeah,
on YouTube. Like there is
yeah,
one
yeah. On
video.
some tutorials on YouTube.
There are they burn lot of things in winters. Like nowadays in summer, they are also burning a lot of things. I saw anywhere yesterday. I think I saw.
But now people didn't understand that.
Yeah, in the
That
future,
is a
we will
fundamental right. We didn't
talk about
burn
the
that
things.
a lot of trees.
Yeah, in the future,
I
we will.
think you research about sun,
No, I didn't.
its lifestyle, its life cycle. Because then you know about sun. What's going on? How how did how did we heat? How did we if, if when sun is become red giant, then our earth are destroyed. Earth is destroyed. When sun
About a little bit, I know. Just like which you are telling. A little bit, I know which you are telling. Because I didn't search, and I think this topic is in your book.
sorry, if you watch, then you know about that.
I think this topic is in your book, so you
No,
know.
this topic is not in my book. In sixth class, I read it.
Oh, nice to read.
Actually, I have an interest in that, so I read many tutorials of that.
Yeah, in
Okay,
phone.
that's all
I
for
think
today.
nowadays in the Facebook there are many tutorials.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am, that's all.
Yeah, very good. So you have talked very nicely, and topic was very nice. So thank you for today, and tomorrow we shall meet. Thank you.